Hi, my name's V, and I'm the founder of Connect to Accountants, the place where people come to learn financy stuff in an easy to understand way. The definition of depreciation is that it's a decline in value of a depreciating asset. That is, something you can own and can depreciate. The easiest way to think about what depreciation is to look at this banana. So on day one, when I buy this banana, it's yellow. Then after a few days, it deteriorates until it's rotten. You'll see that after each day it deteriorates, it loses its value. That means I won't be able to sell it to someone else for as much money based on how it looks. Day one, I'll probably be able to sell it to someone for 50 cents. The next day, probably 45 cents. Then after, 35 cents, then 20 cents, and finally, no one will buy it. See, there's a difference between the days. From the first to the second, there's a 5 cents difference. Second to the third, 10 cent difference. Then 15 cents, and then 20 cents. These amounts by which this banana is losing its value is called depreciation. Depreciation is used to account for things like deterioration and wear and tear that would reduce the worth of something. Except depreciation in accounting isn't really applied to bananas, but rather to certain assets which meet a criteria. I just used the banana to show you the concept. So the IRS lists rules for depreciation, such that you must own it, use it in the business, and its useful life would be more than 1 year. Okay, so generally you'd own and you'd use it for more than 1 year. So something like a car is okay. Furniture can be depreciated as well, but not bananas. Why do we need depreciation? Well, when you buy an asset, say a car, you don't expense it. Even if you've spent the money, instead, you record it as an asset. That's something you own and lost its value. That is, you're unlikely to get as much money as you paid for it if you sold it now. You need to record this as an expense because it's cost your business money. So this reduction must be accounted for somewhere, and this is depreciation expense. So that's the meaning of depreciation, a decline in value of an asset. Okay, so thinking about that car, it's reduced its value, it's an asset, the car, and it's usually through wear and tear and deterioration. So I hope you enjoyed this video about depreciation. Let me know what you think. Comment now.